Greetings from Wichita State University's College of Applied Studies. This video is for students requesting college credit for participation in our market-based tuition program, which is a partnership with WSU and a school district or other professional organization. Starting at the top, please enter your last name. If you've changed your last name since the last time you were a student at WSU, please include your former last name in parentheses. If you have taken a course with WSU as a market-based tuition student in the last 2 years, please indicate that you are a previous student. If it is your first course as a market-based tuition student, please indicate that you are new. If you were a WSU student before, but this is your first time as a market-based tuition student, or it has been more than 2 years since you last took a class as a market-based tuition student, you can indicate that you are a former student, but please know that you will need to submit a new application to the graduate school because your status after 2 years will be considered inactive. The only way to reactivate your status with the graduate school is to submit a new application. There is a second video dedicated to this process. Please provide your WSU ID if you know it. New students won't have an ID yet, so they should leave it blank. New students will be provided with a WSU ID once admitted to the graduate school. If you don't remember your WSU ID, you can leave this blank, but please reach out to us so that we can provide it to you. Use whatever email you check frequently. It's common that educators will use a work email, but if you're seeking credit in, for example, a summer month, it may be better to use a personal email should you not check your work email as frequently at that time. The next section is related to the school district or organization that offer the professional development you completed. If you completed training in multiple districts, please select each one. It's not common, but if that applies to you, please be prepared to receive further communication via the email you provided to clarify how many hours were completed with each respective district. Please note that the description includes the name and date of the WSU course and the corresponding time the professional development was completed. The course credit is going to be offered the semester after the training was completed. That is why this example lists spring 2024 for the professional development approved in fall of 2023. In the credit hour section, please check the total number of credit hours you are requesting to be registered. If it is greater than 7, such as 9, you can indicate 7 and 2 for a total of 9. For the please read section, please do read the entire section. I will stress at this point a couple places where there has been confusion due to the special nature of this program. First, the online form is only a request for enrollment. When the request is received, you will be emailed confirmation of receiving your request. Typically that happens within 48 hours. The College of Applied Studies will then confirm with your district or organization that you have completed the work equivalent to the number of credit hours requested. Once that is verified, the College of Applied Studies can proceed with registering you on your behalf. To be clear, you will not register yourself. The College of Applied Studies will register for you. Second, depending on when you request registration, it may be several weeks between the time your confirmation of registration request email arrives and the next email informing you that registration is complete. When you are emailed that registration has been completed, you will also receive additional instructions related to making payment and requesting official transcripts. The last item on the request for registration form is the signature line. Please type your name after you have completed the form and read it in its entirety. We hope you found this information beneficial, but if you have questions, please reach out to us.